Alright, we are going into the Williams Cross building. You have to hold it down for a second. Whoa. Okay. Bumpers don't work very well. Why did it go back up?
I don't know.
The elevator went back up by itself. It went back up by itself.
Go down.
Can I help you?
I was just taking a picture of the elevator. This is a really cool old elevator.
Oh, okay.
It's an old antique Monarch. It was originally made in Greensboro. This is from like the 1950s.
How did y'all find out about it?
Elevator records.
Wow.
Yep, we like old elevators.
Okay.
That's all we're doing. We're leaving.
It was nice.
Can't take stills while it's doing video. That is really cool. Does it close up by itself?
No, it doesn't.
So it just sits here?
Yep, just as it.
Alright, I just want to take a picture. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. And you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.